Oyibo man talk say knowledge is power. Yes, if you sabi something well, you will get power over your neighbor. Yes, that's why Health Corner dey here to summer you with better information to make sure say you carry first and you get power to bully your neighbor. No, I didn't mean it like that. As in, me shall sabi, take care of your body and your wellness. Yes, so my name is Dr. Adora. Welcome to Health Corner on top your Good Morning Naija show. And since Monday, we don't yarn you about what they call endometriosis. We don't explain what it be to you, how some kind tissues we suppose they inside woman womb or waka kurukere enter inside other places, go they cause kasala for there. And even yesterday, we sent you some of the signs and symptoms where you go see to make you begin to think, say, it be like, say, you get endometriosis. So, and with all those signs and symptoms where you don't mention now, we won't begin tell you, say, if you begin see these signs and symptoms, what we don't call before, all those things where we don't mention concerning heavy bleeding, pain during adult play, and all those ones where they indicate this endometriosis, waka, go meet your doctor. Because as it not be something where you go take play at all, especially if you never carry belle. I beg, waka go meet your doctor in case na endometriosis they cause am. The cause of this chronic or severe pelvic pain, that na pain where you dey experience for down below. Sometimes doctors not fit just pinpoint say, okay, now this one they cause am. But if you discover the problem early, it will help you avoid any unnecessary complications where they follow waka. Although they never sabi the exact cause of this endometriosis, they never sure waiting it be. They don't discover, say, okay, get some kind things where if you use explain why this endometriosis is inside person body. One of them, na retrograde menstruation. It's not big English. Waiting simply mean be say, the explanation, waiting they happen for inside this retrograde menstruation. Now say, usually when person they bleed, that's not the menstrual blood where they flow, as they come out like that, it contains some kind of things where they call endometrial cells. And these endometrial cells, instead maybe they flow normally, they come out. You know, say woman, as we they bleed, it go come outside. You understand? But instead make the cells where they inside so they come out outside. It will come, they flow back, enter into the fallopian tubes and into the pelvic cavity. That's now the hip side where all the bobotibo reproductive organs of the woman they will come go back inside. That's now what they call retrograde menstruation. And these displaced endometrial cells, that's now those cells where no waka come out, will come they gum themselves to the pelvic walls and all the surfaces of all the reproductive organs where they inside woman pelvis. From there they will come they grow, become thick. After a while they will come they bleed. And as they bleed, they bleed during when that same woman they get her normal menstrual cycle. When they cause kasala for them, that's now why you go they experience some kind of pain where you're not supposed to experience. Then for some people, what thing they happen, the explanation when they give be say now embryonic cell growth. What thing this one mean? The cells where they line, that now the cells where they form the abdominal and pelvic cavities, not now the belly and the hip side. They come from these embryonic cells. So when one or more of the small areas of the abdominal lining, that now the belly side, turn into endometrial tissue, this endometriosis will happen. Understand what I talk so? When the lining, those things where they line the abdominal cell walls, can't develop, go turn into those cells, we're supposed they work out from the uterus, and that type of person can't develop this endometriosis. The next one, we then use explainer, that they call them surgical scar implantation. They say what's in the happen for this one, we say for some people, after they don't do surgery, you know, like hysterectomy now when they come out woman womb pata on top one kasala or the other, or when they do cesarean section for woman, they go notice say some endometrial cells, that now the cells where they inside the womb will come attach to the place where they cut the woman open. From there, will come form another thing. Next thing the woman will come to experience endometriosis. The next one again, now endometrial cell transports. What did happen for this one? We say the blood vessels or the fluid where they inside the tissues, where they help they transport all these cells where they come out from womb to other parts of the body. We can't show say the thing no, the transport system no they good at all. It they blocked. So therefore, plenty gbege go dey happen, and after that one, woman go experience endometriosis. Now here I go stop the matter. If you want hear more on top the explanation where they explain in this sabi people where they explain concerning this endometriosis, tomorrow I go give you more. Then on top that one, I will even share with you some of the natural ways where you fit take care of this endometriosis. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is a Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show. I go see you tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.